The DJI Mini 5 Pro is generating significant excitement in the drone community, and it's easy to see why. Following several test flights spotted earlier this month and a slew of new leaks and regulatory filings, it's becoming clear that DJI has a major release on the horizon. The drone recently made its appearance at the US Federal Communications Commission (FCC), a strong indicator that an official launch is imminent. While DJI has just introduced the Mavic 4 Pro, many enthusiasts believe the Mini 5 Pro could be the company's next groundbreaking release, possibly arriving earlier than anticipated. What's particularly impressive is DJI's plan to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the crucial 250-gram weight limit. This is a strategic move because drones under this weight generally avoid mandatory registration with aviation authorities in many countries, making them more accessible and hassle-free for casual users and professionals alike. Achieving this balance, packing powerful features into a lightweight frame, is a testament to DJI's engineering expertise in compact drone technology. One of the most eagerly awaited upgrades for the Mini 5 Pro is its rumored camera system. Reports suggest DJI is equipping it with a significantly larger 1-inch sensor, a notable upgrade from the 1x1. 3-inch sensor featured in the Mini 4 Pro. This change could bring substantial improvements in image clarity, low light performance, and dynamic range. A larger sensor often means better control over depth of field and the ability to capture sharper, more cinematic footage, qualities that will appeal to photographers and videographers aiming for professional-grade results. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to support video recording at an impressive 5.4K resolution at 60 frames per second. If true, this would put it in league with DJI's higher-end drones, such as the Air 3 and some Mavic models. For content creators who focus on social media platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok, the return of vertical shooting modes would be a welcome feature. Combined with advanced tracking capabilities, possibly enhanced by artificial intelligence, the Mini 5 Pro could become an incredibly versatile tool for solo filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals who demand both portability and performance. Battery life is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to see a major boost. FCC filings reveal the drone will feature a 33.5 Wh battery rated at 7.16 volts with 4,680 mAh capacity. This is a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's standard 18.96 Wh battery, and even surpasses the 28.4 Wh Intelligent Flight Battery Plus variant. With this increased power, the Mini 5 Pro could achieve flight times of up to 50 minutes under ideal conditions, nearly double the endurance of many current sub-250G drones. This extended flight duration will allow users to capture more footage per session, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps and interruptions during shoots. Charging speed is also expected to improve, with support for 65-watt fast charging via DJI's portable charger, a feature previously reserved for more premium models like the Air 3 and Mavic 3 series. This upgrade means users will spend less downtime charging and more time flying, a crucial advantage for professionals on tight schedules or travelers capturing fleeting moments. The Mini 5 Pro's connectivity is rumored to be enhanced with DJI's latest OcuSync 4 transmission system. This new technology could increase the drone's transmission range to an impressive 25 to 30 kilometers under optimal conditions, a major improvement over the older OcuSync 3 system. This extended range would be ideal for aerial surveys, expansive landscape photography, or anyone wanting to explore large areas without risking signal loss. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be compatible with multiple DJI controllers, including the RC2, RCN3, and the new DJI Goggles 3, potentially introducing immersive FPV first-person view experiences to the Mini series for the first time. Safety and flight stability are critical for any drone, and the Mini 5 Pro appears to be getting significant upgrades in this area as well. One standout rumored feature is the inclusion of LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance. Unlike traditional vision sensors, LiDAR uses laser pulses to accurately detect objects, especially in challenging conditions like low light where conventional sensors may struggle. If these rumors hold true, the Mini 5 Pro could become one of the most advanced sub-250G drones on the market for safe and autonomous flight. Enhanced obstacle detection will boost pilot confidence when flying in dense forests, urban environments, or during dawn and dusk. Interestingly, the Mini 5 Pro may also include onboard audio recording capabilities. While audio capture is rare in drones due to motor noise, this feature could be valuable for recording environmental sounds or syncing voice commentary, adding another layer of creative potential for filmmakers. Advanced subject tracking powered by AI is another feature generating buzz. Enhanced tracking algorithms could provide smoother subject locking and more cinematic movement, essential for content creators who need reliable performance while shooting fast-moving subjects or unpredictable scenes. DJI's reputation for refining its firmware and app ecosystem suggests these new features will be tightly integrated into the DJI Fly app, offering seamless user experience, real-time previews, editing tools, and easy sharing options, all crucial for creators on the go. Though DJI has yet to issue any official announcement, insider sources speculate that the Mini 5 Pro could launch as early as September 2025. This timeline fits well with DJI's typical release cycles, especially considering the company's Osmo Action series, which might debut alongside the drone. Notably, the FCC filing includes a confidentiality agreement that expires on May 27, 2025, an unusually short duration that hints the release may happen sooner than many expect, possibly before late summer or early autumn. Pricing remains unofficial, but is expected to be competitive. The Mini 4 Pro debuted at roughly $999 for the base model, with the Fly More combo priced around $1,399. Given the Mini 5 Pro's substantial improvements, longer battery life, enhanced camera specs, and upgraded transmission, its price could fall within a similar or slightly higher range, possibly between $1,199 and $1,499, depending on bundles and regional differences. DJI seems intent on delivering pro-level features while maintaining an affordable price point, avoiding the cost territory of their larger Mavic drones. All signs so far point to the DJI Mini 5 Pro representing a significant evolution for the Mini series. The rumored inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, extended 50-minute flight time, LiDAR enhanced obstacle avoidance, fast charging, and next-gen transmission technology blur the lines between hobbyist and professional drone equipment. If DJI succeeds in packing all these features into a sub-250G package, the Mini 5 Pro could become one of the most compelling drone releases of the year. While we wait for official confirmation, the mounting leaks and regulatory filings build a compelling narrative. DJI is preparing to push the boundaries of compact drone technology yet again. If even half of these rumors prove true, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to make a huge impact, delivering pro-level performance in a surprisingly small, lightweight form factor that could appeal to everyone from casual hobbyists to seasoned professionals. This drone looks ready to redefine expectations for what a mini drone can achieve, setting new standards in portability, power, and precision flying. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be more than just an incremental update. It might well be the next big leap forward in drone technology. Whether it's the larger sensor, the extended flight times, the advanced LiDAR obstacle avoidance, or the lightning fast charging, every rumored feature points to DJI's relentless drive to innovate. The anticipation surrounding this release is understandable, as DJI continues to lead the charge in compact drone innovation, and the Mini 5 Pro looks ready to soar to new heights. Keep an eye out because this small drone could make a big splash when it finally arrives.